Lesson 2. Crime Scene Equipment. Crime scene investigations require a variety of equipment to properly document and collect evidence. Cameras. Digital cameras, or DSLRs, are used to capture photographs of the crime scene, evidence, and any relevant details. These cameras should have high resolution and the ability to adjust settings for different lighting conditions. Tripods. Tripods are used to stabilise cameras and ensure clear and steady photographs. They are particularly useful for capturing detailed or close-up shots. Measuring tools. Measuring tools such as tape measures, rulers and laser measuring devices are used to accurately measure and document the dimensions of the crime scene, evidence and other relevant objects. Forensic light sources. Forensic light sources such as UV lights or alternate light sources are used to detect and visualise evidence that may not be visible under normal lighting conditions. These lights can reveal fingerprints, bodily fluids, or other trace evidence. Evidence collection kits. These kits contain various tools and materials for collecting and preserving different types of evidence. They may include items such as gloves, swabs, evidence bags, tweezers, fingerprint powder, and lifting tape. Personal protection equipment, PPE. PPE includes gloves, masks, and shoe covers, and is used to protect investigators from potential hazards and to prevent cross-contamination of evidence. Forensic kits. Forensic kits contain specialised tools and materials for specific types of evidence collection and analysis. For example, DNA collection kits may include buccal swabs, sterile containers, and evidence envelopes. Forensic light microscopes. Forensic light microscopes are used to examine and analyse microscopic evidence, such as fibres, hair, or trace particles. These microscopes have different magnification levels and lighting options to enhance and optimise visibility. Evidence markers. Evidence markers, such as numbered cones or flags, are used to mark and document the location of the evidence within the crime scene. This helps maintain the integrity and chain of custody of evidence and ensures that nothing gets missed or forgotten during the analysis and evaluation stages. Forensic chemicals. Various chemicals, such as presumptive test kits or reagents, are used to detect and identify specific substances or stains, such as blood, drugs, or gunshot residue. Luminol. Luminol is a chemical that reacts with the iron in blood, producing a blue luminescent glow. It is used to detect and visualise blood stains that may not be visible to the naked eye. Forensic casting materials. Casting materials such as dental, stone or silicone are used to create casts or impressions of footprints, tyre tracks or tool marks. The specific equipment used may vary depending on the nature of the crime scene and the type of evidence being collected. It's important for investigators to have access to the necessary equipment and to use them in accordance with the proper protocols and guidelines. Forensic photography. Photography plays a crucial role in documenting and preserving evidence at crime scenes. Here are some ways photography is used in crime scene investigations. Overview photographs. Investigators take wide-angle photographs of the entire crime scene to provide an overall view and context. These photographs capture the location, surroundings, and any initial observations. Mid-range and close-up photographs. Investigators take detailed photographs of specific areas, objects, and evidence within the crime scene. These photographs help capture important details such as bloodstains, fingerprints, tool marks, or any other physical evidence. Evidence photography. Photographs are taken to document and preserve individual pieces of evidence. This includes photographing items like weapons, clothing, footprints, tyre tracks, or any other physical objects that may be relevant to the investigation. Body photography. In cases involving deceased individuals, photographs are taken to document the position, injuries, and any other relevant details. These photographs are crucial for forensic analysis and can provide important information about the cause and manner of death. Macro photography. Investigators may use macro photography techniques to capture close-up images of small or intricate details, such as tool marks, serial numbers, or latent fingerprints. Specialised equipment such as macro lenses or microscopes may be used for this purpose. Alternate light source photography. In certain cases, investigators may use alternate light sources, such as UV or infrared light, to reveal hidden or latent evidence. Photographs taken under these lighting conditions can capture evidence that may not be visible under normal lighting. Progression photography. In cases where a crime scene is altered or evidence is moved during the investigation, progression photography is used to document these changes. This helps maintain a chronological record of the crime scene and any alterations made by investigators. Photographs taken at crime scenes serves as a visual record of the scene and evidence present. They can be used for analysis, comparison, and presentation in court proceedings. It is important for investigators to follow proper protocols and guidelines when photographing crime scenes to ensure the accuracy and integrity of the evidence.